Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are stepping into the cozy, charming world of cottage style kitchens and I am going to share some beautiful curtain design ideas and expert tips to make your kitchen feel warm, inviting and full of character. From light, airy fabrics to charming patterns, ruffles, and balances, I will guide you on how to choose the perfect curtains that match your cottage decor while keeping your kitchen bright and practical. Whether you love vintage, farmhouse, or sabbatic styles, there's something here for every cozy kitchen corner. So grab a cup of tea and let's dive into the ultimate guide for cottage kitchen curtains that will transform your space with style and comfort. Here are some useful tips for choosing kitchen curtain designs to make your kitchen both beautiful and functional. Match your kitchen style. Choose curtains that reflect your kitchen's overall theme. Farmhouse style. Go for gingham checks, linen or lace curtains. Vintage or country cottage style. Floral prints, ruffles or sabbatic fabrics work beautifully. Consider natural light. Kitchens need plenty of natural light. Choose fabrics that allow light to filter through. Use sheer curtains or semi-sheer fabrics to brighten the space. Avoid heavy or dark curtains that make the room feel closed. Choose easy to clean fabrics. Since kitchens can get smoky or greasy, pick washable and durable materials. Cotton, polyester blends, or linen are great options. Avoid delicate fabrics like silk or velvet. Pick the right color. Color affects mood and brightness. Light colors like white, cream, pastel make the space airy and fresh. Warm tones like yellow, red, orange create a cozy, welcoming feel. Cool tones like blue, green, gray give a clean, calm look. Style and length matter. Cafe curtains, half length, perfect for letting in light while keeping privacy. Valances, add charm and pair well with blinds. Full length curtains, best for large windows or patio doors. Add texture and pattern. Patterns add personality. Try a small floral prints for a cottage feel. Stripes or plates for a rustic touch. Subtle geometric or abstract designs for a modern look. Don't forget the details. Use decorative rods, tie-backs or tassel. To add elegance, layer sheer curtains with solid tones for flexibility and depth. Layer for function and beauty. Layering curtains adds texture and flexibility. Combine sheer panels with rural blinds. Keep them open in the day. Close them at night. Pair balances with cafe curtains for a traditional farmhouse or country look. Match with kitchen textiles. For a coordinated look, match your curtains with tablecloths or placemats, chair cushions, dish towels or aprons. This creates a harmonious and thoughtfully designed kitchen. Choose patterns wisely. Patterns can visually transform your kitchen. Vertical stripes make your windows appear taller. Small prints look charming in small kitchens. Bold prints can become a focal point in large, plain kitchens. Balance light and privacy. If your kitchen window faces the street or a neighbor's home, use top-down, bottom-up blinds or layered curtains to control privacy without losing daylight. Add a touch of personality. Curtains are a great way to show your taste. Try embroidered beads or lace trims for vintage charm. Rustic tie bags made of rough or twin for farmhouse style. Bold curtain rods with decorative panels for a modern accent. Seasonal curtain swaps. Change your curtains with the seasons for a fresh mood. Spring or summer, light cotton, floral or pastel tones. Autumn or winter, warm tones, heavier fabrics like tulle or lined linen. Short cafe curtains for cheerful vintage vibe. Floor-length curtains for elegance in dining kitchen areas. Layered sheer plus patterned panels for a rich, cozy look. Create a focal point. Use curtains as a statement page in your kitchen. Pick bold prints or bright colors to draw attention to your window area. If your kitchen is mostly neutral, a patterned curtain adds life and balance. Match with wall and cabinet colors. Harmonize with curtain shades with your kitchen's color palette. Add a vintage or handmade touch. If you love character and charm, use crochet or lace trim along the curtain edges. Look for hand-embroidered or patchwork curtain designs. Mix old and new fabrics for a stability farmhouse feel. Think about direction of sunlight. If your kitchen gets direct sunlight most of the day, choose UV-resistant fabrics that won't fade. Use light filtering materials to reduce glare but keep brightness. Use coordinated balances. Balances add a finishing touch above your main curtain. Waterproof or moisture-resistant options. If your window is near the sink, choose moisture-resistant or treated fabrics so they don't get moldy or stained. DIY curtain ideas. If you enjoy creative decorating, make DIY curtains using old tablecloths or tea towels for a vintage farmhouse vibe. Add fabric borders or tassels for a personalized touch. Use magnetic or clip hooks. This make it easy to remove and wash your curtains regularly. Practical for busy curtains. Choose according to mood. Think about how you want your kitchen to feel. Cheerful and cozy. Floral or checkered patterns. Clean and modern style, solid colors or sheer white panels. Rustic and homey, like natural fabrics, neutral tones and soft textures. Mix fabric textures. Combine textures gives depth and richness. Pair linen with lace for a romantic country feel. Mix cotton and burlap for rustic farmhouse charm. Thanks for watching the video.